Welcome to another video in my series of videos about printing for artists, and this one goes in the series related to my renovation of this DUFA Flatbed Offset printing press. So for today I have done a test. The first test that I did was to get the rollers, the inking rollers running, and now I'm testing the blanket by making what's called a monoprint. Monoprint is when you paint directly onto a plate and then through the action of the press, run that through the press and transfer that onto a sheet of paper. And so this allows you to make prints very quickly, but the disadvantage is you usually only get one. But this sort of shows one of the things people like to do on these kinds of presses, which I haven't done very much of. It's mostly, I've all printed stones and plates and made multiples, but apparently for monoprinting you can make more than one on this press. Something about the way it transfers ink and the way it has some repeatability. So what I did was I have a sheet underneath this piece of plexiglass here, and that just shows me where I want to go. I'm going to make an origami book, so I have some markings for where I want to put this head, and I just wanted to test it. And the carriage moves on the gear track here that you see here, and the rubber blanket, which is green up here, picks up the inky image, and with the impression on, it just laid it down onto this sheet of paper. And I'm a little bit surprised how well it worked, honestly, for the first one. This is just printing ink thinned with a little bit of mineral spirits or paint thinner. And here you see it on the blanket. So that is just transferred onto that sheet of paper from the plate. All right, thanks for watching for today.